My name is Lee Trevino. I am the Senior Production Supervisor of Specialty Products. I started here 12 years ago at G&W Electric as an assembler in Viper, our overhead switchgear. With a good attitude and a can-do mentality, I learned every aspect of the line, LTs, STs, and the S line. So with that technical ability, I was able to move up as a team lead. What I enjoy here at G&W is you're continuously learning. What I love is the shuffle. Every couple of years, we get the chance to basically move around. So you're not stagnant in one role, you get the opportunity to learn another aspect of the company. We're offered emerging leadership, which is leadership training. We get OSHA training, first responder training. So it covers all bases. Basically what you need in leadership is provided. Working in a manufacturing environment is the hustle and bustle of running around, making sure that we adhere to the schedule to make sure we have on-time delivery for the customer so we can help keep those lights on. I know everybody sees their job as important, but what we do really matters. I know our customers by name, and if you see the headlines of something happens or how fast we can get the power restored for a failure, we as G&W, we know the backstory of what we did, and I take pride in that. To work at G&W Electric, it's an awesome company, and the growth path that it's given me, it's a big change. G&W invested in me and gave me the trust, basically, and leadership to run that aspect of the business. It's grown me professionally and personally to mature me. It's given me great opportunities in my personal life. I met my beautiful wife here. I've had my kids and started a family, and I was able to purchase my first home, so it's the great American dream.